When you sit down to watch your favourite creators, you're often met with someone in a high quality setup, perfect lighting, 4K camera quality and perfect editing. This can often lead us to think that this is the bare minimum your content needs to be at right now and from the beginning, and that you need to be at these levels to build an audience even half the size of theirs. But is there any truth to this? Can you build a big and loyal fan base and a content creation career on next to no budget? And how far will this take you? You have to remember that when you see these massive creators in amazing setups, that they are earning a significant amount of revenue from their content, that they can spend on better cameras, better lighting, amazing setups, and even a team to work on their videos. So when you're in your first year or two of content creation, their content will be on another level, and it kind of should be. When you're in your first years, you should just be focusing on making content and learning. I'm confident that you don't need all of this flashy stuff to build a big audience and build a fan base of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands. All you need, in my opinion, is a phone, a tripod, a cheap mic, a couple of ring lights maybe, and a personality. There's thousands of YouTubers who have built a massive audience off of just this. A setup that probably wouldn't cost you any more than £150. That's assuming that you already have a phone. Take me right now for example. I've just got my phone on a tripod, a mic down there, 2 ring lights and 2 LED lights to light up the background. As you can see right now, my background is literally just my curtains because I'm limited for space. But I found a way with my cheap LEDs to make this look a bit better. I know it's nothing fancy, but it does the job. And you don't even need to film indoors if you don't want to. There are many creators that just film on the go or just set up outside, so that sorts all their lighting out. I'd say if you're starting from scratch like I was, you should really be focusing on perfecting how you talk to camera, how you edit, and which video ideas you come up with. Because nailing these down will have 10 times the effect on your channel growth and who you resonate with. As long as your camera quality isn't woeful, like you're filming on a potato or something, you're fine. But is there a point where you have to upgrade? Will this only take you so far? I believe to succeed in content creation, you always have to focus on improving your content, because a lot of content creation is a positive feedback loop. The better you get at talking to camera, the more people will connect with you and come back for more. The better your packaging is, the more people that will find your content and choose to click on it. The more videos you put out, the more chance that one of them is going to catch fire and bring you a whole new audience. So at some point when the views are rolling in, you'll want to improve your audio quality, your video quality, your lighting, etc. And you'll likely be in a position by then where you want and can spend money on these things. So just keep pumping out the content, no excuses. Embrace these humble beginnings and put yourself in the shop window. And hey, most of these creators you love watching every day started in this very similar way, with just a phone and a tripod. To hear more, just watch this video right here.